So boom, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be working on the S2000 interior. Today we're going to be installing this NRG Short Hub and this NRG Quick Release. So here it is, the NRG Short Hub. Let's have a sauce. Right here. Damn. Oh shit. And then right here we have the NRG Quick Release. Let's have a sauce. There it is. Yeah, look at that. Hopefully it's gonna make the car look 100 times way better. So here is the Quick Release. This is the Gen 1.5 with the silver and carbon ring. I originally wanted Gen 2, you know, it's all black, but they ran out of stock, so I thought the next best thing would be this Gen 1, but I kind of wish it was all black because my interior was all black and it's more low key, but I guess this will do for now. And you know guys, I know it's not a work spell one because I originally wanted a work spell, but with the current Australian dollar right now, it's actually costing $150 more than I got quoted last time. So right now the work spell S2K setup is going for $700. At the start of last year, it was only going for $550, so I thought, you know, instead of paying that much money, I might as well buy this NRG one for now, and then if the work spell one ever goes cheaper, I'll grab that again. Carbon fiber. Yeah, for those who know, I've always wanted a quick release and I finally got my hands on one. Yeah, so guys, enough of me talking, let's attempt to install this. This is my first time installing an aftermarket steering wheel, so wish me luck. So guys, we just finished installing the NRG Short Hub and Quick Release. Check that out. Wow, that's actually sick, way more room. Also guys, which steering wheel should we run? We have the personal one right here, and we have a Nardi deep dish right here. I like this personal one, you know, it's a bit small, 330mm. It's got these nice grooves right here, which the Nardi doesn't have. And you know, it just feels good, like just squeezing it, and it feels like a go-kart, like it's nice and small, and like the position of it. But also, I like this Nardi one because, you know, it's like fast, look at me bro, check me out. But the only downside is I don't actually know if there's a comfortable position to drive, as it doesn't have the grooves for your thumb and stuff. And the downside is it's a deep dish, so when I put on the Quick Release, it's going to be sticking out a lot. So it's going to be like something like this, and that's pretty close. So I'm not too sure, I might go for a drive, but yeah. So what do you guys reckon? Personal, more like a race style, or more kickback Nardi?
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so just put on the personal one, and it's not 100% on, horn and stuff not connected yet, and you know, for some reason the bolts aren't going in properly. Maybe it's because these bolts are from the Nardi one. Imagine these. Yeah, who knows, eh? Alright guys, so right now we're going to go for a test drive with the personal steering wheel, and after that we'll go for the Nardi one and see how it feels. So let's go. Wow, this leather personal one makes so much noise. fucking good though. Fuck. Oh, I can't reach the indicators. Gonna need those extensions, but fuck. Woo. It's fucking lit. Fuck yeah. Fuck. Holy shit. It feels like a go-kart. Fuck yeah, look, it's going up. Fuck. Wow, you control all day, everything. Alright, so here it is from the inside. Check how good that looks. So much room now. Fuck. Suss this out. So much room in here without the steering wheel. Fuck. 100 times way better. And guys, I chose to go with the personal one as it just feels better when driving because the naughty one was a bit too close. And you know what's so good about this quick release? The sound it makes when you click in the quick release. It sounds so satisfying. Check this out. Ready? Wow, so satisfying hearing that click. And look at this, it's pretty stable for quick release because I thought, you know, quick release, you know, it's a bit aftermarkety, it might not be safe, but check that out, it's pretty safe and it's 100 times way better. So here it is, a better view from the passenger side. Wow, what do you guys reckon of this new setup? 100 times way better or nah? Check that out. And you might be thinking, hey Rick, where's the horn? You know, with this personal steering wheel, it did come with a horn, but it doesn't actually fit in because as you can see, the quick release has this like metal ring right here and the horn doesn't actually fit. So that's also a downside, which, you know, is kind of annoying. And the other downside is when I start the car, all the other lights turn off, but the SRS light stays on. So guys, when installing the steering wheel, I tried to bypass the SRS or the airbag. I put in the 2 resistors, but I guess it didn't work, or I probably did it wrong. So the SRS light is always on and that's kind of annoying, but yeah. Other than that, it's pretty sick, eh? Check that out. What do you guys reckon? 100 times way better or nah? But fuck the SRS light, gotta get that fixed. And fuck this horn, gotta get it fixed too, eh? Yeah. But anyways guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. I know it was a bit boring, I couldn't really record much as it would have been too repetitive, you know, it was just a simple DIY install. But guys, what do you guys reckon? Comment down below. Do you reckon this is worth it or nah? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give this video a fat like, PHAT, and consider subscribing if you haven't done so. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Laters. Fuck, 10 years later. Woo, we fucking got it. I'm fucking out of breath as you can see.